Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi and make sure your phone is charged to avoid interruptions. Once done, open the Cloud app and navigate to Account, then Storage. This shows used percentage and which file types take space. You should immediately identify big folders like photos or backups and export any irreplaceable files to local storage or a second cloud. This prevents accidental loss and lets you delete confidently, so you can start reclaiming space right away. Now you move into the cleanup. Sort items by size and target the largest ones. Videos, old device backups, and obsolete app data usually free the most space. Make bulk selections to delete multiple files, and remember to empty the trash or recently deleted folder, because items there still consume quota. Also clear app caches or local cloud caches if the service permits. If duplicates are an issue, use the built-in Duplicate Finder or a trusted app to remove redundant. To finish, verify the reclaimed space in the storage view and let the app sync changes across your devices. This may take a few minutes. Then set automatic rules, remove files older than a set number of days, limit backups to Wi-Fi, or keep only recent versions to prevent future buildup. Make sure your important data is backed up elsewhere before aggressive cleanup. If storage doesn't update, sign out and back in or reinstall the app. That usually forces a refresh and resolves syncing anomalies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.